before you spend your money on Salvora Rhodiola Rosea. You might want to watch this first because supplements like this can sound amazing in ads. But the real question is whether they actually deliver what they promise. Salvora Rhodiola Rosea is based on Rhodiola Rosea, a natural adaptogen that has been used for years to help the body manage stress and mental fatigue. And many people are curious about it because it's often promoted as a way to feel calmer, improve focus, and support energy without the crash that sometimes comes from caffeine. What makes this supplement interesting is that rhodiola is often described as something that helps the body adapt to stress, rather than simply stimulating it like coffee or energy drinks. That sounds great in theory, but when you look at real customer feedback, the experience seems to vary quite a bit. Some users say they notice a subtle improvement in mood or mental clarity after taking it consistently, while others mention that the effects feel very mild or take time to notice. There are also a few reviews where people talk about minor side effects such as slight restlessness, stomach discomfort, or difficulty sleeping if they take it too late in the day. Another thing to keep in mind is that supplements like this usually work differently for everyone depending on lifestyle, stress levels, and overall health. Because of that, some people feel the benefits more than others. It's also worth noting that while rhodiola itself has some research behind it, not every brand or formula will feel the same, which is why checking ingredient quality and dosage is important before trying it. Overall, Salvora Rhodiola Rosea seems to fall into that middle ground where some people appreciate the subtle support for stress and focus, while others may not notice a big difference. If you're someone who is curious about adaptogens and looking for a natural way to support mood and mental energy, it might be something worth researching further. But it's definitely not a miracle supplement, and expectations should stay realistic.